Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to give you an information of why is that Rainbow Six Siege rank is not working. And I will give you an idea on how to fix that. So why is Rainbow Six Siege not working? So there are a few reasons why is the Rainbow Six Siege rank not working properly. Some of the most common reasons include the server issues, the bug, the maintenance, and bans. So for the service issues, the game's servers might be down or experiencing problems. This can cause problems with matchmaking, joining matches, and other aspects of the game. Second is the bug. There might be a bug in a game's code that is preventing ranked matches from working properly. Third is maintenance. The game might be undergoing maintenance. This can prevent players from accessing certain features, including ranked matches. Four is the banned. You might have been banned from the ranked matches. This can happen if you have been cheating or breaking the game's terms of service. Now, how to fix Rainbow Six Siege rank not working. So if you are experiencing issues with the Rainbow Six Siege can't play rank issue, here are some possible ways to fix this Rainbow Six Siege rank not working problem. The first one is to check your Rainbow Six Siege server outages or maintenance. Now, this is the first thing you should do if you are having problems with the ranked matches. If the servers are down or undergoing maintenance, there is nothing you can do to fix the problem until the servers are back up and running. Second is to check your internet connection. If your internet speed is low, you may experience problems with playing ranked matches. Make sure that you have a stable and reliable internet connection. You can try running and speed tests to check your internet speed. Now is the third one is to restart your game and console or PC. If still you're experiencing Rainbow Six Siege rank networking issue, this might fix any temporary glitches or errors that are causing the problem. To restart your game, simply close it and then open it again. To restart your console or PC, follow the instructions that came with your device. So the fourth one is to verify the game files. This will ensure that the game files are not corrupted. To verify the game files, open the Ubisoft Connect app and select Rainbow Six Siege. Then click on the cog icon in the bottom right corner and select Verify Files. And this process may take a few minutes. So the fifth one is to close any other programs that you're running. This will free up resources and improve your game's performance. If you're running other programs in the background, such as a web browser or a file downloader, they may be using app resources that your game needs. Close any unnecessary programs before trying to play ranked matches. So, six is to reinstall the game. This can sometimes fix the problems that cannot be solved otherwise. To reinstall the game, open the control panel and select programs and features, find Rainbow Six Siege and click on it. Then click on uninstall. Once the game is uninstalled, you can download it again from the Ubisoft Connect app. And the last one is to wait for a patch. If you have tried all of the above and still Rainbow Six Siege rank not working, and the problem is caused by a bug in the game, Ubisoft may release a patch to fix it. You can check the Rainbow Six Siege website or Twitter account for news about upcoming patches. Okay, so make sure that you know all of those information so that you will have an idea of why is the Rainbow Six Siege rank not working. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.